Welcome to the Mod Daily's quick indoor Halloween decorations video. It's just under 2 minutes, featuring a few highlights from Roger's garden. This water feature is one of many featured at Roger's Gardens. They're located in Newport Beach, California, and absolutely a destination spot for home decor, for exterior landscaping, and just an abundance of ideas and beautiful products you may not see anywhere else. What was amazing to me was their train display in the center of the yard, 7-acre yard. Take a listen. Whether you're finding this video on YouTube or directly in our blog post, continue to read 9 creative ideas for indoor Halloween decor, and you're sure to come up with a new concept that's really going to match your style and your home's decor. Happy Halloween!